Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here, and are your assignments as terrifying as they could be? When you start using mandatory pass, they will be. Faculty and teaching assistant roles will probably get the most value out of setting assignments to mandatory pass, but academic admin and registrars will want to chow down on all these delicious facts as well. And to be completely honest, there's not much to it. On a course, on the Assignments tab, as you're creating an assignment, you'll see this little checkbox for mandatory pass. When you check that box, any student who doesn't receive a passing grade on this assignment will fail the course, regardless of what the rest of their grade calculation comes out to. So that little checkbox might look unassuming and harmless, but in truth, it is judge, jury, and executioner. Let's watch what happens. This student here has big hopes and dreams, wants to graduate and get a job with great benefits and then get injured on the job and receive a huge settlement and never work again. Let's see how he's doing. He's got good grades overall. Here's that assignment that we set to mandatory pass. This guy spent less than an hour on this paper and ended up with some real poor old stuff. So we're gonna have to fail him. We'll edit grades here and input his failing grade on the grade book, and there you go. Looks like someone's gonna have to work for a living. So if we input the failing grade right here, you can see that his final grade ends up down at 0. He gets nothing. We can mess around with that grade a little bit just to see what the difference is. You can see a passing grade does affect his final grade there, but if it's anything lower than passing, then he just gets a 0 on the course. And that really is it. You set one or more assignments to mandatory pass, and when students fail any one of those assignments, they fail the course. I've been Josh for Populi, and you've been great. Thanks for watching.